looking to raise money like this, free money like this, money like this, or money like this? In this video today, I'll be sharing with you guys 6 websites that can actually pay you guys to make free money, like 6 websites where the rich literally give away their free money. Particular fund might fund meaningful travel experiences. For instance, if you're about to visit all the African countries in the world, this particular website can help you raise a fund or some money to visit anywhere you want to visit in the world. They love it when you want to experience different culture, different, dialects, different food, and all of that. As you can see, this particular lady, Anna Lidemont, has actually raised $4,500 just to travel. So imagine what $4,500 can do in your travel escapades in Nigeria. You understand? This particular lady, who is a volunteer, has actually raised $2,950, which is actually, not not too much, but actually good enough that there are some people that are willing and kind enough to give you money to finance your travels and your trips. You understand? So as you can see, there are a lot of them. You can earn there in dollars, in euros. These are rich people. There are rich people all over the world that are emotional about what you can do, about your travel experience. You understand? So here is how it works. You need to start a fundraising. A fundraising is actually like a donation where people donate to you to help you maybe support a business trip, a travel trip, anything, treat a sick person, and anything of such. Now, if you are wondering if it accepts Nigerians, this particular website is worldwide. It accepts anywhere you are from, be it Uganda, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, Nigeria, UK, US, Canada. It accepts all over, anybody from anywhere you are in the world. You understand? So guys, take a look at this website and let us know what you feel about it. Next website on our list is called fundable.com. Now, Fundable is unlike the first website where they finance your trips, your goals. Fundable actually helps a business. Now, if you have a business goal, like most of us do in Nigeria, we have wonderful business ideas, but there is no money to, put those ideas into motion. You understand? You can just come here to Fundable, create a fundraiser, and you get free money from rich people that are willing to, fund your professional whatever. Now, they are being addressed here as investors. The reason is because they invest in your idea. So sometimes you might say, okay, I want to give my investors maybe few of my products to test and see how they can input more money into this business. You understand? And you guys will come to a legit agreement. Please guys, if you know you are in Nigeria, in Ghana, wherever you are, and you have a business idea, why not give this website a trial? It won't harm you. It is a free website. There is no money attached. It is free. You understand? And these are a lot of people from different parts of the world. As you can see, here is San Diego, here is Lotmont, here we have Denver, here we have Ivory, here we have a lot of countries that are on this website. So now the third website is called Go Get Fundraising, or Go Get Funding. Yeah, Go Get Funding. As you can see here, it is called gogetfunding.com. Now, Go Get Funding is a little bit, how will I put it? Will I say a little bit more open than the past ones, because it even has to do with personal fundraising, which means you can have an issue. Maybe your mother is sick, you need to raise money to feed your family, you need to raise money for house rent. You understand? You can just come to Go Get Funding and start a fundraising campaign. Now, this is how it works. It said it is easy. Create your page in minutes and start accepting donations right away. Now, you can never know unless you try. You get me? Here again, it says trusted. Since 2011, we have helped thousands of people raise millions online. Imagine a company that has been in action since 2011 till 2023. You understand? They are still working perfectly. Fundraising coach, just in case, that's why I like this particular website. Just in case you don't have a knowledge of how you can raise these funds, or what you can type, or how you can express yourself, they have a coach on standby that will help you, build that your whatever. It has no donor fees, you understand? You do not donate any amount of money, you do not get anything aside from their low platform fee, which maybe is for maintaining their website, 4% from any amount you get, which maybe is for maintaining their website. They also have simple setup. They can extend your reach to Facebook, to wherever you want it. So, and then you receive your funds. Here are a lot of successful people that have raised money. Here is this Pink Train Marathon 2023, and this particular lady has raised 4,782 euros. Imagine how much that is if multiplied in naira, or maybe in your own currency. The next person here is Reka Fight for Cancer. Oh my God. I told you guys that people are emotional. You don't know how much you can get until you try out something. This particular child, now, it is actually emotional when a child has cancer, you understand? But people are willing to go extra mile to donate for that child. You get me? Rika has actually raised $11,000. This particular guy here also, wow, has raised 91,000. Although I cannot read this because this is looking like, I don't know this particular language writing, but it's looking like Russia. You understand? But seeing a baby's face here, it means it is a medical and healing fundraising for a child, which they've actually raised, I think, $91,000. Here we have it again. This particular website actually, I think they are more emotional to medical healings. You understand? Medical, surgery, fundraising for surgery, to help a family, to help the sick here and there. So, guys, if you have any issue, maybe any hospital issue or whatever, you can just come on this website and try it out. You don't know who is waiting for you to make a campaign, and then you start making your money on this website. Our next website here is called justgiving.com. It's slightly, how will I say, incredible. You understand? It's slightly incredible because I think they have more of people that are partnering and reach here, you understand, on justgiving.com. Now, justgiving.com is simple to sign up on, and their money, in fact, they raise more money than almost all the other platform I have mentioned. As you can see here, it says we are raising 10,000 euros to help Ada Hay and Haven's cousin Zach by walking 40 miles. Now, they are raising 10,000 euros just to help two kids walk about 40 miles. 40 miles is quite a long distance, as you all know, but so far so good. In fact, they've gotten more than they actually expected, because they've gotten 25,230,000 euros already, which is quite much. This Turkey earthquake, they've actually raised about 172,000 dollars here. So these are actually free money. All you have to do on this website is come on this website and start your fundraising. You don't know who is waiting to see your profile. You don't know who is waiting to donate to you. And as you can see, these are blacks. They accept blacks on this website as well. And they have their own categories. It might be animals and pets. Maybe your animal is sick or needs a surgery, it might be art and culture, it might be educational, it might be international aid. Now, the major reason why I actually made this video was actually because of a friend that actually chatted me up on Facebook and explaining some things to me about fundraising. Then I was like, Is that the reason why a lot of Nigerians are jackpotting and we are wondering where they are seeing all the millions from? This might be a secret, and this is actually a secret to raising money to travel abroad. So just in case you are looking for international travel aid, you can come on this website to raise a whole lot of money here on this website. Now, so our next website here is called Giving Gain. Actually, Giving Gain has a little requirement, you understand, but just in case, or if you know anybody who runs a charity organization in Nigeria or in your country of residence and they are looking for money to raise funds, especially my northern fans, if you have charity organizations around you in the north, you can also use this website to raise some amount of money for your charity organization. In fact, this website has been used by UNICEF. As you can see, they are used by UNICEF, they are used by Swiss Red Cross. As you can see, this is actually visible here. They are used by Medicine Sans Frontiers as well. They are used by Habitat as well. So this website is actually recognized by a lot of big international brands. So if you know any charity organization around you that is looking to raise money to fund their charity, whatever, please reach out to them and send them this video, so they will find a more they will find it very useful. Now all you have to do on this website is come up on this website, sign up as a non-profit organization, and then you start raising your fundraising by uploading great images about the situations around you, you understand. Now, without wasting much of our time, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button and turn up the post notification so that whenever we upload interesting video content like this, you will get to see it. Now, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the link in the description box, join our Telegram channel and be a part of our family. So guys, as you can see on this particular website, it says that so far so good. They are looking to donate $3,500. Now, the name of this particular website is called Fundly. Fundly is also a fundraising platform. Fundly is also a fundraising platform where people help you raise money. Like rich people help you raise money, whether it's in form of currency or in exchange. Maybe they send you grocery or whatever it is, but people help you to raise money. The rich people actually have money they give away for like free money. As you can see, this particular guy or family is on a mission to raise $5,000, and so far so good. They've gotten 31% of their money, you understand. So this particular website, you just come on this website called Fundly, you hit the sign up button, you sign up, you create a campaign, and then you start making money. Now this particular website is also a bit different because unlike the rest that are like maybe for fun, for raise, for personal stuff, this particular website has to do with memorials and funerals as well. That is one of the unique aspect of Fundly. You can raise money to bury a grandfather, to attend a memorial of a great icon, of a great hero, something like that. You can raise money for a military, whatever. You can raise money for pets and animal. You can raise money for politics. You understand? You can raise money for religious organizations, which is quite interesting. You can also raise money for a run, a walk. You can raise money for education. You can raise money for sports and team. You can raise money for trips and adventure. Whichever one you choose to raise money for, this particular website is available for you, and this is a way that you can make money here just by creating a campaign and let people donate money for you. People will give you money. It is quite easy. So the link will be like the first in the comment section. I will try to drop all the links to this website in like the first link in the comment section. So do well to check out those links and let me know what you guys think about it. I will see you guys in my next video.